Hello everybody, my name is Mulgannon, and I got the side printouts done for the Mandalorian. Now these pieces are actually a failed print, and what I did to save them was edit the G-code. You gotta be careful when editing the G-code, because you can have problems like this happen where it didn't print a couple layers, so it created this gap. And also the edit was a little bit off, so you had like a double print right there. If you're careful and you're lucky, you can edit it so that way you have a perfect piece coming out.
First thing is to reset your printer to home. This way you get accurate coordinates later on. If you have a bigger piece, you may have to remove the bed from the hot plate to clear the gantry. If you have to remove the bed, ensure you put it back exactly the way you had it. Once the printer is in home position, you can find the reason behind your failure. In my case, the filament was slipping, so I had to cut the filament and re-filament it. Next, you can start moving the hot end where your print ended. This part takes some patience, as you can be on the wrong setting and move your gantry up too high or too low too quickly. Double check that your hot end is resting on the layer and not forcing the layer down by going up and down a few times. If the hot end is forcing down the layer, it may cause faults in your print. Once your hot end rests on the layer your print ended, write down the coordinates as they read on the screen. Put the SD card into your computer and open the folder containing the file. First things first, make a copy and have it saved in a separate folder. On PC, sorry Mac users, I don't know how to do it for you. Right click and open with Notepad. You're going to find the number you wrote down by pushing Ctrl F and type in the Z coordinates. Mine is Z9.4. If for whatever reason you can't find the number you wrote down, try to find an approximate. Try a number higher or a number lower, but go by decimals first. Again, going too high may cause you to lose a layer, or by going too low may cause you to reprint a layer. Next, I'm going to delete all the information previous to this line by highlighting the code above, scroll all the way up, and hold down Shift, highlighting the top row so I can delete everything all at once. Now you're going to save it and exit out. First thing is to reset your printer to home. Once you loaded your SD card back into your printer, make sure you preheat your printer. Once everything's preheated, start your print. Hopefully this helped you in your printing. Thank you for watching and have a great day.